Haka kenta keli jingkeli haka sengi ke bahan reo jong ke dorbar mang tengka ke yeng dorbar tawan ke jela haka nyotrik uleber arajar arbusan uba nujor ki sungo MLA ke United Democratic Party na Mowkaīaw constituency na ke jingyo jubab baka daw ke bapen Kynriah ya ke blok Labour Office na Laskein sejauh tang na ke daw bumlong ke internet ula penpau ke jingbom sengola ban Pdiang ya ketika jubab uba syakliar warjeri menta ubadai kmi ya ketenat Labour ula ong baga jubab kalong kat kum ke jinglap ketenat Henry ula kular pat ba unshim khia ban wat ya ki daw halor ki blok Labour Office haki CNRD blok baper ula ong baki don bon teli ki bala bo Henry ketenat kadang penbit penbiang bha yaki nagabenta ki jing mentoy jong ki pait ba.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Reply to start question number 52. So the Block Labour Office Laskein is not closed and is currently functioning from the District Labour Office Juai.
Ms. Banu Jorki, your preliminary questions, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So what I would just like to know from the Honourable Minister, since the Labour Department has already took one rental house in Laskeiñ for the operational of the office of the Block Labour Office, and as far as my knowledge is concerned, this rental has been terminated by the concerned office. So is it not that since the rental of the house has been terminated, is it not that the office has been shifted already to Juai?
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, the office has just been temporarily shifted to Juai, sir. It's not permanently shifted to Juai. And the house that was being taken on rent, Sir, like I said, it has been temporarily terminated, the house that has been taken on rent, sir.
Sir, one more supplementary. May I know from the Honourable Minister, sir, how many Block Labour office that has been set up across the state, sir?
Sir, there are many Block Labour offices that have been set up across the state. Sir, we have the Labour in all the districts, sir, we have the Labour office, mostly in all the blocks. And we have sent more proposals, sir, for setting up blocks in state. And, sir, it's a very long list, so if the Honourable Member wants, sir, I can lay it on the table of the House.
So, since Block Labour Office, it's very much important in almost all of the block in different parts of the state. So, what I would like to request is that the government should strengthen those particular offices because there are so many labour who need to be registered and most of the labourers are very poor to come to the district headquarters. So if there is a block labour office in each and every block, it will really help the labourers. So I will one more supplementary, sir. Would the government, would the department considering acquiring some land and sanction some fund for construction of this block labour office, sir, in different block?
Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now, sir, we don't have any such plans from the government. But then again, sir, if it is required, sir, we can examine and we will take a call, sir.
And one more question, sir. One last question.
Last one.
I'd just like to know from the Honourable Minister, sir, since this Block Labour Office in Laskein has been temporarily shut down, so may I know, sir, when will the department examine the matter and make sure that the Block Labour Office in Laskein will be operational again from the same rental house?
Mr. Speaker, sir, one of the functions of the block is for the people who have registered with the MBOCW Welfare Board, and these registered can avail certain benefits. These beneficiaries can avail certain benefits from the board, sir. So for that, sir, the process is that we have to do it online. So hence, sir, there's a lot of interconnection issue in the area of Laskein. So that was the main reason, sir, that we've only shifted temporarily. But then again, I can assure the honourable member from Mowkaīaw that, sir, once the internet connection is stable in the entire area, the block office will be shifted back to Laskein.
Just one more clarification, sir. Sir, I disagree with the reply of the department, sir, because Laskein block office is located at merely 200 meters away from this particular place, sir. And in that block office, there's no internet connectivity problem at all. So that's why, sir, I totally disagree with the reply from the department, sir. Maybe it's just because that those staff, they're lazy to come to rural areas, sir.
So as per the information that is available with me, sir, the shifting of the block office is purely because there was a lack of internet connection. But then again, sir, since the honourable member has mentioned, I will examine and I will sue the department, sir, to ensure and to make sure that no such things happen again, sir.
Yes, Pak Swin.
May I know from through you, sir, that some of the diseases which have been registered for long before they died, 3-4 years back, they have not availed the schemes so far. May I know the reason why?
Sir, I couldn't get the question, sir. Can you repeat again?
No. I mean, those who already died 3-4 years back, they have already registered the name in the Labour Department before they died. But till now, they have not received any of such schemes so far. May I know the reason why?
Mr. Speaker, sir, like I said, the labourers who are registered within the board, they have to avail such schemes, they have to apply. So maybe the next of kin did not apply for the scheme. But sir, if anyone applies for all the benefits that are there to the board, sir, everyone will be given, sir, all the benefits.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka Pdiang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.